Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the circuit route planning app review to see with what you're using. So to get started, circuit route planner is a delivery and a route optimization app that help drivers and small teams plan the fastest route with multiple stops. It includes features like real-time GPS integration, drag and drop stop reordering, delivery time windows, proof of delivery with photos or signatures, and route tracking. The app works with Google Map, Maze, and Apple Map, and it's also simple to use. It has a simple interface which makes it beginner friendly for contractors, delivery drivers, and a small business. However, circuit has some drawback, which include the limited free usage capped at 10 stop per route and higher cost for larger planners. Some user report occasional route errors and app glitches, and the increased in battery drain. So the team plan, you can also get expensive. The team plans can also get expensive compared to the alternative. And in conclusion, the app worth it if you are an individual driver or a small business looking for a simple and efficient route optimization, but less ideal if you need a advanced logistic features or a small budget friendly option. And that's it. Thank you.